Hey guys, Trey Lewellen here on this week's Unstoppable Core. And this week, I'm going to share with you something that we have found and it is working really, really well. I'm Trey Lewellen, and over the last 6 months, I've hacked over 40 top-performing funnels by some of the most elite online companies in the world. And the best part? I recorded everything. Join me as I uncover the deepest secrets in the online world and reveal how to cash in using their techniques. Discover it all by visiting MrOnIt.com/masterclass today. So check it out. We are using SMS technology to increase our revenue for our company. Oh yeah, Trey, I get it. Like you're just sending text messages, like it's really cool. Actually, we're doing something really better. So check this out. So let's say you bring in a customer. Hello. This customer comes in. He's like, hey, what's going on? I'm going to be a part of your company, part of your business. I'm going to buy some products from you. And you can email him. You can possibly text him, of course. You can do a couple other things, reach out, maybe call him. But here's what's kind of fun is a big opportunity a lot of people are missing, and it's one of the highest, most profitable pieces, is direct mail to current customers. So you have a current customer base that you could be direct mailing, are you? Here's what's even better. What if you're able to do an upsell through SMS technology? So here's the cool thing is when you work with a CRM, you already have their data. You have their credit card stored, you have their address stored, you have their name stored, you have their phone number stored, and all you need is a verification of them to say yes. So let's say one day you are promoting a product, you're doing a featured product, and that product is this new coffee cup that you came out with. So you have this new coffee cup, you're like, this coffee cup is probably amazing, you're going to absolutely love it. So what you do is you put it on a postcard. You say, hey, you know what, we got this really cool postcard over here, or not postcard, but this really cool coffee mug. You are going to absolutely love it. All we need you to do is text coffee to 494-949. Text that number, text coffee to 494-949, and when they do, right, you got their phone number in your CRM, so when they text that, you're going to do an auto reply message, and it's going to say, hey, are you excited to have us to receive the coffee mug from the postcard you received? If you want us to send that coffee mug out to you and use the card on file, just reply yes. And so then they're going to say yes, which is like an upsell. It's a one-click upsell, right? No credit card transaction ever happened. So they're going to say yes. We are excited for this. And then what you can do is you can log into the CRM, you can put the transaction through because you have verification that they want you to go through that, and then bada bing, bada boom, you send out the coffee mug. How cool is that? So by using a direct mail piece and SMS technology, you're able to create quick and instant sales. And it's as easy as that. So guys, check that out. Is that something that you can implement in your business today? Absolutely. Because all it takes is an SMS and a postcard to start creating increasingly amounts of revenue for your company. So here's a real quick thing, is I want to know what your thoughts on this. Are you already using SMS technology? Are you already using direct mail or any of it? Post that in the comments below because I want to know. I want to go through and read the comments. I want to see what you guys are saying. Are you using SMS technology? Are you using direct mail? Are you using email? Like, what are you doing right now? I want to hear about it. So put that in the comments. And when you do, every month I come back and I go through those comments. We put them all in a basket. We draw out a winner, which we actually have one today, who wins a masterclass, a year-long subscription to our masterclass where we go out and hack funnels. We go out and do behind the scenes on Commerce Kings and ask the really intrusive questions that they're not comfortable saying to the public, but as a behind the scenes they are. And so that's a $1,000 course. Today's winner for that masterclass from the comments before is Danielle Marie. And so congratulations to you. You won a masterclass. Reach out to our support team. We'll get you all that hooked up. But this is all you have to do. If you want to be the next winner, comment below and let us know what your thoughts are. Guys, this has been another great episode of Unstoppable Core. I appreciate you staying in and sticking with us. Keep watching. We'll see you next week on the Unstoppable Core. Bye-bye.